I'm just going to give you a walk around video today of this 2023 on a 72 registration Isuzu D-Max. This is the V Cross, 1.9 automatic, no VAT on this truck. So it's been privately owned, treated as a car. It's in superb condition with some really nice additional extras on this one. So from the front, you'll see the lights are all on at the moment. We've got the LED headlamps, but I'm just going to get to the front. We've got LAZER grille integrated lights. It's quite hard to pick them up on the camera without it flickering. Mounted behind the grille. They're driving lights at night time on the main beam. Very expensive. I've already got them fitted on this. Great option to have. And when they're off, you can hardly see they're in the grille. So, bonnet guard on the front. This truck's done 11,900 miles. It's extremely low mileage for the age. It's finished in splash white. We've got V Cross grey extended wheel arches, dark grey alloy wheels, side step running boards, dark grey mirrors, door handles, roof rails, privacy glass to the rear with a top tint on the windscreen as well. Satin black rear roll bar, front and rear mud flaps, mountain top roller shutter cover with the cross rails as well. LED rear tail lights, factory towing pack, colour-coded rear bumper, rear reversing camera. These trucks are very well spec'd. The tailgate will go down on its soft close dampener, load liner in the rear. I'll just open the mountain top cover there. Factory Isuzu load liner, all lovely and clean. And like I say, it's been a privately owned vehicle. That's why there's no VAT on this one. It's been treated and used as a car. It's in fantastic order throughout. So nice on the bodywork. You would not find a nicer Isuzu D-Max, I don't think, for sale on this age. It's super. So inside, keyless entry on the door handle. We've got full black leather, perforated. Nice sport seats. Leather steering wheel. Lots of driver assistance features on these. Got the ignition on at the moment. I'll just turn that off. So we've got multifunction, cruise control, there's adaptive cruise, got stop start, power fold mirrors, electric mirrors, 11,900 miles only. Great little head unit they've got in these. You've got wireless CarPlay, all the features like that for your Google Maps. Dual zone climate, high and low range, automatic gearbox, heated seats, passenger and driver. We've also got a rear diff lock. Black headliner, V crossover carpet mats, plenty of storage space in there as well. Cup holders that pop out. So they're very well spec'd, the V Cross. It's Isuzu's top model on the D-Max truck. The 1.9 engine. They tow extremely well, whether it be work, leisure, whatever you need one of these double cabs for. The D-Max is a great truck, great price point. This one's in stock now. Looks fantastic in the white. So any interest in this one, give me a call, 0777 111 2040. 20 plus photos on our website, all the spec. We do take part exchange, we can arrange finance. In stock now. Give me a call. Thank you for watching.